All right, guys, I have a couple more pretty good work from home jobs for you. They're beginner friendly and they're also hiring in California. Let's get into them. The company WEX has an opening for a customer implementation coordinator. This job is full-time remote anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions anywhere on this job description. So that tells me you can do this job nationwide, anywhere in the United States. So this looks like a pretty easy job where your primary objective is to build immediate customer confidence, accelerate time to value, and reinforce trust with both customers and the sales team that every new account is set up for success. So you do some new customer intake and contract review. That means you review all newly executed contracts, verifying required setup information, confirming the solutions purchased, and ensuring accurate setup preparation, and initiating the onboarding project for the new customer. You also do some rapid account provisioning, ensuring new customers gain access to the platform quickly. You'll coordinate the initial customer kickoff, which means you'll lead the first CX introduction call, reinforce the value of the solutions purchased, outline what the customer should expect during onboarding, and set clear expectations for next steps. You do some data collection and implementation prep, collecting required customer data for system setup, coordinating data import requirements, communicating data preparation guidelines and timelines, and ensuring the customer understands what is needed to proceed. We also assist customers in activating the platform's financial tools and perform customer education and expectation setting, introducing the customer to available onboarding resources, demonstrating how to access training and support, set expectations for onboarding timelines, and reinforce the simplicity of getting help when needed. So this is a good opportunity if you have a little bit of experience in a related role or customer service experience, and you have a high school diploma or a GED. Now, they prefer you have a bachelor's degree or higher, but that's just preferred. It's not required. And then, of course, you need your typical soft skills you need for just about every job. And you're familiar with customer experience and project management tools. And I'm going to scroll down this job description because down at the bottom, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $43,500 up to $59,200 per year. So next up, we have a work from home job that includes hiring in the state of California. This one comes to us from Motorola Solutions. This one is for a fee administrator. It's full-time remote. They tell us they're hiring in 6 locations within the United States, which include California Northern Region, Utah, California Southern Region, Texas, Nevada, and Illinois. But you know what? As we scroll down a little bit, they tell us this position is a remote position and candidates can be located anywhere in the United States. So I'm going to go ahead and say if you do not live in one of these 6 locations you see listed right here, go ahead and apply for this job if it interests you, because they do tell us it is open nationwide. So you'll be involved in requesting, approving, and rejecting agent fee requests, reviewing agent fee denial appeals, as well as communicating any escalated information to the client or supervisor as needed. You'll be responsible for pulling and maintaining fee reports, updating designated accounts, as well as communicating with clients throughout the lifecycle of each fee request as needed. You receive, investigate, and answer emails and queries from internal and external customers while facilitating occasional outgoing phone calls to support business objectives. So you'd be a good fit for this job if you have a couple years administrative-related experience or equivalent, and you have a high school diploma or equivalent. And it's preferred you're proficient in G Suite, and it's a plus you have experience with RDN, Recovery Contact, and iBeam. Now those last 2 things are just preferred, a plus. They're not required, but if you do meet those preferences pluses, definitely include them on your resume. And we can see right here on the job description, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $41,600 up to $43,680 per year. So hopefully one of these work from home jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for some part-time work from home jobs, you can find some in this video right here. And hang in there, guys. Your job is out there. We're on our way to finding it. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.